Welcome my dear student. Our today's topic is two string operation. In this two string operation can be applied to the values of one dimensional array type that contain only character literal elements. The example of such a type include the predefined types of bit vector and a string, and the type of standard ulogic vector defined in standard logic 1164. Applying to a string value is not a such use, as it just yields the operand unchanged. For other array types, the operation yields a string value with the same characters as the operand. This can be useful for including such array values in a message string. The example of such a strings is like that one. We are taking a simple example of signal x of bit vector 7 down to 0 and report a track x and to string x. The values of x is an array of a bit element, whereas the report statement expect a string values, which is an array of character element. The two string operation deals with the conversion. Thus, if x has the bit vector values of some 00 1101, and the result of the two string operation would be the character string of 00110101. The VHDL also provides the operation to string, to O string and to H string for converting the bit vector operand to the string in a octal and hexadecimal. The two O string take each a group of 3 bits from the operand, and starting from the right and includes the corresponding octal digit character in the result. If the operand is not a multiple of the 3 length, the additional 0 bits are also assumed on the left of the operand. We will take another example so that we get a very clear idea like that one. The example is to string O string B of some values of 101, 011, 000 is a 530, and a string O to string O B of 11, 000, 111 is 307, like that. The two H string operation similarly takes the each group of 4 bits and includes the corresponding hexadecimal digit character in the result. The digit is from A to F. To take an example of that one also, we have an example that 2H string B of 01110 which gets an resultant output of 6C, and a 2H string B of 110101 is 35. That is a simple examples of the two string operations that we have. Simply you have to remember that if suppose there is a 2 O string, O mane octal, and the 2 O H string, the H mane hexadecimal. So in that way, simply whenever there is a O string, it means octal number. Whenever there is a H string, it means hexadecimal number. That is simply two string operation are to be there. Okay, so our next topic is array slice. Another operator is the array slice. If you want to refer a continuous subset of an element of an array, but not the whole array, we can do the using the slice notation, in which we specify the left and the right index value of the part of the array object. For example, the given array A1 and A2 declare as follows. Type array 1 is an array of 1 to 100 integer. Type array 2 is an array of 100 down to 1 of integer. The variable A1 to the array A1, variable A2 to the array 2. We can refer to the array slice A1 from 11 to 20, which is an array of a 10 element having the indices 11 to 20. Similarly, the slice A2, that is 15 down to 41, is an array of a 10 element but with a descending index range. The slices A1 10 to 1 and A2, that is 1 down to 10, are null slices, since the index range specified are null. Also, the ranges specified in the slice must have the same direction as the original array. Thus, we may not legally write as A1 10 down to 1 and A2 is a 1 down to 10, and that is simply the array slicer. In generally, it is used whenever you have to perform a specific operation on a specific value of a complete array. So for that purpose, we have to perform the slices operation in the VHDL language. Another operator is array type conversion. So a value of an array type can also be converted to a value of another array. To the value of another array. To the value of another array type. This providing the array type are closely related with each other. The two arrays are closely related if they have the same number of dimensions and their element type can be converted. The type of conversion produce a new array value of a specified type containing the converted element of the original array in the same order. Suppose we have the following declaration in the model, that is subtype. We will take simple example of that one. Subtype's name is of a string 1 to 20. Type display underscore string is an array of integer range 0 to 9 of a character. Variable item underscore name variable display displays the string. We cannot directly assign the value of an item name to display as the type are the different, but we can write the assignment using a type conversion. A display and a display type. This produces a new array with a left element having the index of range of 0 and a right element having the index of 90, which is compatible with an assignment target. And that way we can simply use the array type conversion also. So whenever we have to convert that array type, we can use this array type conversion operator. Okay, thank you very much.